we talk about how can you create new announcements on your WhatsApp. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on manage down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here. You click here on marketing. You just click on it. You go down here. You click here on mobile announcements. You just click on it. Then you come to this list. In here you will find your mobile announcements. In here can you create it? Just click on create. Click here on create new announcements. Then here, so you create it. Then when you down here, click on next, and it's going to save with you. So then here can you use all this here to create your new announcements. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.